Hello children, in the previous video we have finished with the explanation of lesson number 6, that is I love my baby. Now we are going to start with the exercises of this lesson. So take out page number 50 of your English 2 books, page number 50. We will start with play with words exercise. Question number D. A baby bear is called a cub, a baby armadillo is called a pup. Now in this question children, we are going to write the names of babies of animals. Now here this line and this line also you underline so that, and you have to learn these two lines. Means here in this, the baby of a bear is written, means cub, and the baby of a armadillo, pup, is written. So you have to learn this also. Can you guess the names of the babies of these animals? Choose the correct names from the box and write them under the pictures. Now see here, some names of babies of animals are written over here in this box, and below some pictures of animals are given. And we have to look at the picture and find out the correct baby name from this box. Children, you write the name of the animal also above the picture, because in exams pictures will not come, only the name of the animal will be written over there, and you have to write the answer accordingly. First one is spider. Above the picture you write spider. The baby of a spider is spiderling. Second is rabbit. Here you write rabbit above the picture, and the baby of a rabbit is kitten. The third picture is of a dog. Here you write dog above the picture. The baby of a dog is puppy. Then is horse. Here you write horse, and the baby of a horse is called foal. Next is the baby of a kangaroo. Here you write kangaroo above the picture of kangaroo. The baby of a kangaroo is called Joey. Next is the picture of a goose. Here you write goose, and then the baby of a goose is a gooseling. Next, the picture of deer is there, D-E-E-R. The baby of a deer is called fawn. Next is the picture of a the picture of a goat. Here you write goat, and the baby of a goat is kid. Now let's move on to question number E. Fill in the blanks with listen and hear. Children, first of all, I want to tell you what is the difference between listen and hear. As it is already written over here in your books, what is the meaning of hear and what is the meaning of listen. Hear means that you have to be aware of the sound which you are hearing in your ears. And listen means that you are telling somebody to pay attention. Okay? Hear means that you are aware of the sound which is coming to your ears, and listen means you are telling somebody to pay attention to somebody or something. Now let's start with the first one. Hello Seema, can you dash my voice clearly? The answer is hear. Can you hear my voice clearly? Second is dash, I want to tell you something. The answer is listen. I want to tell you something means I am telling somebody, listen, I want to tell you something. Third is, do you like to dash to music? Listen. I am asking somebody, do you like to listen to music? We can't say, do you like to hear to music? No. Because here we are telling, listen. We are going to write listen. Number 4 is children. Please dash to your teacher carefully. The answer is listen. Number 5 is sorry, I didn't hear the doorbell. Means the sound of doorbell didn't come to my ears. I didn't hear the doorbell. Next is number 6. Can you speak a little louder? I can't dash you. The answer is hear. Means what you are speaking, I am not able to hear you. So here will come. Number 7 is dash to what your father tells you about honesty. Listen. Means I am telling somebody that listen to your father. What he is going to tell you about honesty. Number 8 is can you dash the baby laughing? Means is the sound of laughter of baby coming to your ears? Means hear. Can you hear the baby laughing? Now let's move on to grammar fun exercise. This is a part of English 1 children. Here you write the question, what is an adjective? Question mark, give examples. And this adjective definition I already made you write in your English 1 copies. You can learn from there only. So children, we will do the exercises of grammar fun in the next video. Thank you.